Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the topic calculate arithmetic mean by shortcut method and step division method in continuous series. And students, this is our 19th lecture. So let's start. So first we start shortcut method. So students, the shortcut method in case of continuous series saves considerably time in calculating mean. ये स्टूडेंट्स शॉर्टकट मेथड जो है हम इसलिए यूज़ करते हैं क्योंकि इससे हमारा जो है टाइम सेव हो जाता है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट ऑल द स्टेप्स दैट वी टेक इन द shortcut method to calculate arithmetic mean. So first step is calculate the midpoint of each class interval and denote it by m. So सबसे पहले तो हम आपको पता है हमने हमारे पास जो है इन द कंटिन्यूस सीरीज क्लास इंटरवल इज गिवन. देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैलकुलेट द मिड वैल्यू बाय द class interval series. So we calculate the mid value and denote it by a small m. And the second step we take, decide any one midpoint as the assumed mean. Assumed mean A. Yes स्टूडेंट्स, सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज़ हम क्या करेंगे, हम मिड पॉइंट जो हमारे पास मिड पॉइंट वाली सीरीज़ आई है उसमें से कोई भी एक मिड पॉइंट हमने डिसाइड करना है एज अ एज्यूम्ड मीन. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज़ कैलकुलेट द डेविएशन डी बाय मिड पॉइंट फ्रॉम द एज्यूम्ड मीन ए. अब जो ये मिड पॉइंट वाले मिड पॉइंट आए हमारे, दिस इज़ आर एक्स सीरीज. सो हम यहाँ से जो एज्यूम मीन मिड पॉइंट में से एज्यूम मीन ए लेते हैं. देन हम क्या करेंगे, वी कैलकुलेट द डेविएशंस बाय द फॉर्मूला एम माइनस ए, मिड वैल्यू माइनस एज्यूम्ड मीन. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज मल्टीप्लाई द डेविएशंस डी विद द रिस्पेक्टिव फ्रीक्वेंसी एफ and obtain the total to get summation fd. So next step is multiply the d by f. डेविएशन d को फ्रीक्वेंसी से मल्टीप्लाई करना है एंड देन क्या करेंगे हम उनका टोटल सम लेंगे एंड वी गेट समेशन fd. Now the next step is find out the total number of items in the series and you know that it is summation f, summation यानी sum of frequency or n. Now we apply the formula. So in the shortcut method the formula is x bar is equal to a plus summation fd by summation f, where x bar is equal to arithmetic mean, a is equal to assumed mean, d is equal to m minus a, you know that is deviations of midpoints from assumed mean, and summation fd is equal to sum of the product of deviations d with the respective frequency f, and summation f is equal to total number of items. So now students, we take an example. So calculate arithmetic mean of the marks given in following series by the shortcut method. So yes students, this is the series x marks x 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20 and 20 to 25. Now number of students means frequency is given 2, 8, 6, 10, 4. So students, you know that we first of all we will calculate the midpoint. And what is the formula of midpoint? You know that L1 plus L2, lower limit by upper limit of class interval by 2. Now 0 plus 5, 5 by 2, this is 2.5. 5 plus 10 by 2, this is 7.5. Now 12.5. Then 15 plus 20 by 2, this is 17.5, and next is 22.5. Okay. So our next step is we calculate the deviation. So yes, so first of all we assume a mean in a mid value series. So we assumed 12.5 is equal to assume mean. Okay, so A is equal to 12.5. Now we calculate deviation D by m minus A. So this is our m series, and this is our assumed mean A. So students, 2.5 minus 12.5, so minus 10. 7.5 minus 12.5, this is minus 5. 12.5 minus 12.5, you know this is 0. 17.5 minus 12.5, yes, this is plus 5. Next is plus 10. Okay students, so now we will calculate FD in shortcut method. So FD, yes, this is our frequency F, this is our frequency D. Sorry, this is our series D. So yes, 2 multiply minus 10, this is minus 10. Now 8 multiply minus 5, minus 40. Next 6 multiply 0, 0. 10 multiply 5, 50. Then 4 multiply 10, 40. So now the sum of FD is equal to, yes, this is minus 60 and this is plus 90. So plus 90 minus 60 is equal to 30. Plus 30. Okay, so now we will calculate sum of F, that is total number of items, n. So 2 plus 8 plus 6 plus 10 plus 4. So it will be 30. Yes students, so now we apply the formula to calculate the arithmetic mean, and you know that in shortcut method x bar is equal to A plus summation FD by summation F. So this is, yes, A assumed mean 12.5 plus summation FD 30 divided by summation F 30. Okay, so 30 से 30 कट जाएगा 1. So 12.5 plus 1 is equal to 13.5 marks. Okay students, so this is our arithmetic mean in shortcut method. So now students, we will discuss our part B in our next video.